Stephen and Michelle, it is a wonderful thing to have somebody to trust utterly. To know that together you can accomplish more than you can on your own. As you stand facing each other on this your wedding day, you will both make special promises to each other. Today these words are from the heart and have special meaning. Think about these words and remember them every day of your lives together. Stephen.
I, Stephen Sartorius, take you, Michelle Coates, to be my wife. I promise to love you without condition, to honour you each and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and to allow you to do the same for me. You're my favourite person, and I choose you to be my partner in life.
Thank you. I, Michelle Coates, take you, Stephen Sartorius, to be my husband. I promise to love you without condition, to honour you each day and every day, to laugh with you when you're happy, to support you when you're sad, to guide you when you ask for direction, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow you to do the same for me. You are my favourite person, and I choose you to be my partner.
Two of the occasions where I've seen Mish the most nervous was a few hours ago before she walked down the aisle to meet Stephen. And when I came over to Mark and Sandra's beautiful home in Clareville to meet Stephen for the first time. I found out later that it was because she knew he was the one, but in my eyes, Stephen scored a perfect 10 out of 10 that day and hasn't let his rating slip since. While I don't claim to know much about marriage, I do think that when you fall in love with someone who takes the best parts of yourself and magnifies them, that's when you found your perfect match, and that's what I see when I look at Mish and Stephen. All the things that everyone here loves today the most about Stephen and Mish individually are a whole lot brighter when they're together, and I think that's something really worth celebrating. I know that if your mum Meg could have been here today, she would have been really proud of you and definitely agree with me that you found the perfect match. And so if you could please raise a glass to the most beautiful bride and groom I've ever seen. May you continue to love each other, learn from each other and laugh at each other always. Congratulations.
I would like to make a toast which is not about self-preservation, but it is about preservation, and of the two of you. Preservation, which by definition calls for maintenance, protection and care. So care for each other, protect each other, live life and love each other for this next chapter. You're two very, very special people to all of us. So to the next chapter, and to the bride and groom.
Michelle, I didn't just write it down, I spent ages thinking about this, but you absolutely mean the world to me. You know, you're the most caring, positive, genuine, loving person anyone could ever meet. When you walk down the aisle today, you just look absolutely amazing. I looked at you and I was just, I didn't cry. I tried to cry, but I didn't cry. But in seriousness, you walked down there today and you were so much more beautiful and amazing than I could have ever dreamed. A lot of people say, too much of one thing, it's not a good thing for you. We hang out all the time together, like constantly. But in saying that, I just can't see myself getting sick of you. We've spent more time together, during our relationship than I think most people would have spent together, during a 20-year relationship, and for that, I'll never get bored of you. I'll never, miss hanging out with you. Michelle, very much at that time, it was a click moment. I knew from then that you were this amazing person that I just want to spend my life with, and I love you so much, and you were it, that was it. So I just want to, really looking forward to, spending the rest of our lives together, creating, evolving, laughing, and growing. I know that every single day I'll fall in love with you again and again and again. Thank you.